Welcome to the train layout today here at Dennis Lines Railroad Union Station. We have some updates for you today. Here comes the train. A long freight train. The ICG, and then here comes the Santa Fe. All right, we have the town over here, the trolley zipping around. He's on a mission. Here's the bridge, and we have the Rudolph train. Here it comes. There it goes. So the update today, Randy and Shane, the other part of my design team, they started on the mountains, and they've got some of that done on this side, and they used burlap and plaster. So we're going to paint and put fabric and other things on it. Pretty cool stuff. So yeah, they've got it going on here. Things keep progressing. We like it. Comes the 280. Our little Rudolph train and some other cars mixed in. We have our factories and things over here on this side. This train yard. I love all of our lights and things. I can see the lights. So we'll come over here so you can see the snow village under the bridge. Goes the Polar Express. A little GP9 coming through here with the freight train. And an L&M bay window caboose on the back, just like our Mary Pat. Yeah, I love our snow village and mountains. Volcano sitting over here. The lava, hot stuff. See this side. We'll blow some horns. We like to make some noise here. I love those Santa Fe Super Chief cars. That's my favorite passenger set. There's the Polar Express. got that good old-fashioned whistle on it. Nice. There's the freight train. Okay, well, this has been another model train layout update. We hope you've enjoyed it. Things will keep evolving and progressing. Just keep in mind that eventually we're going to do another main line that will originate close to where I'm standing here by the transformers, and it will predominantly be on overpass, and it'll follow the back of this part of the layout and then go over the town and over the other track on the other new part of the layout, and probably a dog bone loop kind of thing. So we're going to have that going eventually, and then we're going to eventually start a G-scale layout on the floor underneath the main layout. So that's something in the future, because I acquired some track before Christmas, and that was given to me. So we're going to be putting all that to use. So lots of exciting things going on. So we hope you enjoy watching it progress, and hopefully some of you, my subscribers, will get to come visit at some point. I do plan on doing some open houses at some point, so I'll keep you updated. And as always, share, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I love interacting with you all, my subscribers.